is this one. Hello. Since cyclic, so A plus B plus C plus D also 360 degrees. Cyclic quadrilateral. Since quadrilateral, so sum of the all angles 360. Now tan A plus B we can write instead of tan A plus B 360 degree minus C plus D. Clear? Next, it is already there tan C plus D. Then 360 minus C plus D. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
So it will be minus 10 C plus D, fourth quadrant, plus 10 C plus D. Cancel, so it will be 0. Finished. Clear? Hello? May I raise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one question it is given. If x, y are real, if x and y are real, x and y are real, then is it possible? Then is it possible? Is it possible? Then is it possible that the relation that the relation secant theta 2xy secant theta 2xy by x square plus y square by x square plus y square. Is it clear? Is true. Is true. Whether this relation is true. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. One thing you see, solution, how we can proceed. As it is given secant theta, this you will write first. I am not writing spaceless. First you will write given condition. So cos theta will be x square plus y square by 2xy. Am I clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Secant theta, this cos theta 1 by secant theta, that means it will be reverse. After this is okay. Now as we know that x square plus y square minus 2xy equals to x minus y whole square equals to greater than equals to 0. Shall we write it is like that?
Sir, এই জায়গাটা একটু বুঝিনি স্যার।
এই দেখো s square plus b square minus 2ab কত a minus b whole square না? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ 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 স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এবার x আর y, if x and y equal, then only x minus y will be 0. So 0 square it will be 0. Otherwise always it will be a positive number. Square is there, no chance to be a negative number. So
Yes, sir.
this
Sir.
expression will be either 0 or more than 0. That the part I have written here. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And if x equals to y, then only this part value will be 0. Otherwise it will be always positive because square is there. That is the meaning. Now this equal to this stands for this. That means x square plus y square minus 2xy greater than equals to 0 implies x square plus y square greater than 2xy implies x square plus y square by 2xy greater than equals to 1. Up to this clear? Dividing both sides by 2xy. So right side
Yes,
it will
sir.
be 1. But we know that cos theta value must be less than equals to 1. Range. Cos theta range. Cos theta never exceed the value 1. It will be always maximum 1. Okay. Cos theta range minus 1 to plus 1. So it never exceeds the value 1. So here we got, you see, x square cos theta was like that. This is cos theta value is x square plus y square by 2xy, and we got here that value is greater than 1, which is not possible, which is not true. Understood? Okay. In general,
তাহলে তো রিলেশনটাও ট্রু হবে না।
no, I'm telling. So, given relation, what they given, this is not possible. So, if x equal to y, then only the relation will be true. Last, we'll have to write. In general, the given relation is not true. What we have given. This is true if and only if x equals to y. Otherwise, the given relation is false. Understood?
ওকে স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Okay. Next, may I raise this one? Next question. It is asked. Show the reason for which. Show the reason for which, or they may ask sec theta less than 1 is not possible. Is not possible. Another question. Sec theta less than 1 is not possible. Clear? Hello?
ওকে স্যার।
Why? Tell. Hurry up. Hello, sir. Any reason? Hello? We know solution. We know sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base. Remember? Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার।
In any right angle triangle. So hypotenuse is the longest side or the largest side in a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Okay. It must be, hello? Hypotenuse must be greater than base since this is the larger side. So value of sec theta must be greater than 1. Thus sec theta minus 1 is not possible. Am I clear? Simple solution. From this relation, sec theta greater than 1. So we have given sec theta less than 1, which is not possible because hypotenuse is the largest side. So by any other side except hypotenuse, if you divide, it will be always greater than 1. Clear? Hello? Sarji?
Yes, sir. Clear.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Clear? Okay. Next. So this kind of problem you'll have to practice. Okay. Hello. Ordinary
Okay, sir.
thing to you can. Am I clear? Hello, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. I'm giving another question. Next question. What is the value of tan 27 plus tan 18 degree plus tan 27 tan 18 degree? What is the value of this? Hello? 27 plus
কোয়েশ্চনটা পুরো দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
এই যে
মোবাইলটা রোটেট করে নে।
Now clear? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
Plus tan 27 plus tan 18 plus tan 27 into tan 18. So 27 plus 18, how much? 45. So you remember tan 45 is always 1. So if 1 mark question, so immediately you can write answer if it is multiple choice. If you want to do, then how you will start? Tan 45 degree, tan 27 plus 18. Then tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B, tan 45 1, cross multiplication, side change, you will get the 1. Clear? Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. So this type of Some you have to remember. If next question, if every line that may give this type of thing, if cos x minus y equals to -1, then what will be the value of cos x plus cos y and sin x plus sin y? What is the value of number 1 cos x plus cos y, number 2 sin x plus sin y? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you guess? Anyone can guess? Okay, you think 2 minutes, then I will explain.
Sir, 0 answer.
Yes, very good. Let's see how others. Hello, Sarji. Anyone? Any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Got answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got.
Okay. Easy only, isn't it? Next question. May I give next question? Hello. Okay, those are not done. I'm telling this one square cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square. A plus b whole square. Here also a plus b whole square you do. Then this cos square x sin square x 1 cos square y sin square y it will be 1 plus 2 cos a cos b, here sin a sin b. If you take common 2, then it will be cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So ultimately we will get 1 plus 1 here 2 plus 2 into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b cos x minus y cos a minus b. So 2 plus cos a minus b given -1. So ultimately 2 minus 2 it will be 0. 2 minus 2 ultimately it will be 0. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Next question I am giving. Next question, if a plus b, if a plus b equals to 45 degree, okay, hello, then what is the value of 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b? 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b.
So can you again repeat the question?
Yeah. If a plus b 45, then 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b equal to how much? Equals to how much? If a plus b 45. Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What? Hello? I'm telling, listen, it's very easy. A plus b 45. You take both side 10. Both side you take 10. 10 a
Sir,
plus,
answer 2.
yes, very good. 10 45. 10a plus b formula you write. 10a plus 10b 1 minus 10a 10b equals to 1. Then cross multiplication. Then you do the cross multiplication. Then you get this type of factor. Adding both side 1, you will get 2. Cross multiplication, how much we will get? 10a plus 10b equals to 1 minus 10a 10b. Clear this one? 10a plus 10b. I'm doing up. Okay, or I'm doing this side. So now you see how much we got over here. If I'm shifting this way, 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b, 10a 10b equals to how much? Equals to 1. Minus 10a 10b, I've shifted left side. Now add both side 1. So 10a plus 1 or 1 plus 10a, adding both side 1. Another factor you will get 10b plus 1 factorization, and right side 1 plus 1, it will be 2. First this one, both side if you add 1, then right side it will be 1 plus 1 2, and then after factorization you will get this one. If you multiply, you will get 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b plus 1. From where we got that plus 1, we have added both side plus 1. So right side it will be 1 plus 1 2. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hence, they may ask, hence find the value of tan 22 and half degree. Tan 22 and half degree. From this relation, after doing this much, find the value of tan 22 and half degree. Clear? Hello? One thing you see, if a plus b 45, when n we need 22 and half. 22 and half means 45 angle half. It will be half when a and b are equal. When a and b equal, then only a and b both will be 22 and half. Because twice a 45, a 22 and half, or twice b 45, b 22 and half degree. So here you put 10 and 10 wherever a 22 and half. So it will be, hello, 10, hello, hello.
Yes,
Hello. 10a 22 and half, 22 and half degree plus 1, again b 22 and half. So 10 22 and half degree plus 1 equals to 2. So it is 10 22 and half degree plus 1 whole square equals to 2. So 10 22 and half degree square right side it will go as root 2. It as root, and 2 is there, so root 2. So plus minus, okay, plus minus 22 and a half degree plus 1 equal to root 2. So tan 22 and a half degree equals to how much we'll get? Since tan 22 and a half degree, tan 22 and a half degree, it is in first quadrant. So negative value we'll have to ignore. So 22 and a half degree plus 1 equals to root 2. So 22 and a half equal to root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. So tan 22 and I'm writing here tan 22 and half degree equals to root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Simple. So listen, I am not giving you extra pressure. So every day now, what is the syllabus? Since 1 mark question, maybe another date I will get. Another date I may get before exam. If everything is finalized, so I will get 1 day maybe next class. So next class overall we will give 1 revision, and if it is possible mock test I will give you the date through our that means online class. Okay, if it is possible I am trying, so through Google form. So mock test if it is possible, otherwise so I will give the test in finalized date only. So you'll practice at home since I am having school and our now prayer meet time sharp 10:45. So I'll have to leave the class. Okay. So you
Hello, sir.
practice.
স্যার স্কুল এক্সামে যখন গুগল ফর্মে এক্সাম দেবো তখন কি রেজাল্ট ইনস্ট্যান্টলি পাওয়া যাবে না পরে ডিক্লেয়ার করবে?
পরে ডিক্লেয়ার করে দেবে আর কি, একটা ডেট দিয়ে মনে সব এক্সাম শেষ হলে ডিক্লেয়ার করবে আর কি। হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
Don't worry. Sometimes I will call, I will ask you if any problem when we will finalize. So practice. Due to lack of time, I have to leave the class. Bye everyone.
Okay, sir.
Kindly send the attendance, everyone. Bye.
ওকে স্যার।